Hey YouTubers, Vinny had a good trip to the vet. I'll talk about it in the video, and I'll also show you a cat getting a bag, because if I put a bag down, this cat gets in it. But the reason for the video is packing the RV.
What are you guys doing? Is Benny laying there? I don't have his bowl in front of him. He's waiting for it. And there's Kiki laying in the Save the Planet bag because I came back with the groceries, left the bag down for 5 minutes, and now she's been in there for 2 hours. I'll give you some food, Vinny. Yeah. It's not your bag, Keek. Vinny. You're crowding me, dude. This is my laptop. This is Vinny. Yeah? You good? Yeah. Tell the people that your sugar's gone down. You still need to be on the insulin. You're down to 12.5 pounds. And I think like a year ago, you've lost four pounds at least. Maybe almost 5. Yeah. About a year ago, you were 17, 18 pounds half the time. So that's why you usually lay by your bowl all day. But it's time for another trip. Yep. You'll be hiding under the bed here soon, but we're going to get moving on a trip. Yep. You won't like it at first, but then you'll be fine. If I'm on my laptop, usually that's pretty much where he is, or laying by his bowl wanting more food, because that weight loss is not his idea.
These are my clothes in the Save the Planet bag, which works great for me. But in the fall, it's always hard. You end up packing, well, I end up packing too much stuff all the time. Now let's do some outside RV stuff.
And I checked my tires and they're a little bit low. So I got my air compressor out here, right there. I'm gonna blow these up. All right, let's get some pressure on it. GoPro, stop recording. All right, I gotta put the right head on there. Try that again. All right, YouTubers, you get the idea. I'm gonna do all of them. Go. All right. Got the shop vac. Definitely taking out this time. And then down in here, show you all the junk. That's for firewood. That's my grill, already in there in the bag. You can see some cat litter, some tools in there, some bike stuff, noodles. So the back is, there's my hatchet and a saw. The green is a saw. All right, and this side, we got mats, we got chair. That's for the grill. That's a foam pad. Like I said, that's a chair. Cat tent, shower. It's about 3 dozen fire starters there. Go around to here. We got 5 dozen fire starters there. There's the extension cord. There's the hose. It's that shrink up hose because I don't drink out of the tank. Yeah. And more stuff. So that is full. We're mostly packed. All the food, too much food. Probably hard to see. All right, that's my front bumper. And it looks terrible. So I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna clean it up with Trim Restore. All right. So that's a lot better. It's not perfect because, you know, it's 20 years old. It looks a lot better. Much, much better.
Time to get food. I love me some Aldi's.
All right, YouTubers. Got my veggies. There's some zucchini. There are some peppers.
red and orange. These bags are those things that you use instead of the plastic bags. Also make the veggies last longer. More zucchini, and then in this one, green peppers. And all you do is you pull these cords and then tighten them down, and your veggies will last a little bit longer because they're not trapping all that moisture in those plastic bags, and you're not using plastic bags. So I'll get these in the refrigerator. Gonna turn the fridge on. Turn the refrigerator fan on. You can hear it. Should be cold enough to pack this tonight before I go to sleep, so that I leave in the morning and it's all packed. A lot of times I wait till the morning and pack it. I think this time I'm gonna pack everything tonight if I can. I always take red potatoes and onions, so we're gonna put them where I can fit them, because as is per my norm, I take too much stuff. But under there's a bunch of Vinny food. And I can put the onions and potatoes there. They should not come flying out. Packing. Ow, that's my head. I'm taking my thrift store washing machine with me, so that's cool. Alright, more boots than I need. These are my Keens from the thrift store. These are actually good boots, but I plan to do a lot of hiking and probably going to get wet. There are some masks. I got a few of them because we got to have them. And that's all I'm saying. Everybody calm down. TV, DVD player, and this blanket. Let me show you. There, everything's safe. I put the pedestal of the TV between the window and the bed, and it won't move. One more thing packed and ready to go. Alright, there's my bucket for many things, including dishes. And that's where I carry my propane canisters. My rims are really dirty too, so before the trip I'm gonna clean them. Wipe them down first. Look at that. They'll shine up nice. Okay, I got 4 of them. I'm gonna put this on all 4 of them. Alright, YouTubers, I think came out pretty good. That stuff does a good job. Nice shine to it. Alright, here's the back one. Came out pretty good for 20-year-old rims. Now the centerpiece is the plastic. They don't shine up too good, but I'll only show you 2 of them. So those are clean. Yay! Alright, I'm gonna get the bike rack. Alright, this is an old Thule bike rack, the hanging type. Oh. There we go. That ain't going nowhere. Now we'll get the bike. Now this is a little big for one bike, and this down here I gotta put around the hitch, and I'll get this all finished up because you can't see any of this anyways. GoPro stop recording. So what I do is I pull some of the slack out of this and pull this cover up closer, and then I tie these off here around it. Put these on there. You won't be able to see it, but this is kind of a bungee netting that I put over it. Alright, I got the bungee on it just to start with. Again, I don't know how much you can see. And I just use these, alright, now I got bungees. Take another one.
That's enough. You get the idea of strapping it down.
And that ain't going anywhere. Then I take these and I find some of the straps here. I clamp them through both. That way it's got a hold of the netting and the tie downs. And I have 3 or 4 of them. Here's one. There you see. And it'll hold it on. And everything should stay together. It's way overkill. Do it here. Right there. So, see, that's got a hold of everything. It ain't going anywhere. I still like this Sermosa, something like that cover. I still like that, but I really like having the bungee netting because I see a lot of these going down the road with just a cover and the wind tears them up. This is gonna last a while. He's literally laying down and eating. You contribute nothing to society. You lay around all day. Anybody? Anybody? Seinfeld back in the day.
All right, now I'm going to show you how I pack the cooler.
Big ice pack. Another big ice pack. A smaller. Fit in there.
3 pounds of hamburger. Here's some chicken. Those are in those new bags. They're reusable.
There's another hamburger.
More freezer packs. And I'll tell you honestly, stuff will stay frozen in this for about 3 weeks. And that's in the summer, so it'll probably last longer.
There's another London.
Peppercorn pork tenderloin. Yeah. Chicken. And put that down. London. Some bacon. And one of these. And that is a 12-volt cooler and it is going to work great. Let's take it out to the RV.
The refrigerator's packed. Again, it's not very big. A couple things of creamer because I got to have my coffee. All my veggies in those bags are in there. Some carrots, some veggies, sriracha. There, we got some more stuff in this freezer. And as you can tell, I had to turn it way down because it had gotten super cold. So that's good to go. I'll keep the fan going. And then here's the cooler. And when I'm driving, it's plugged into the dash, and then here, and it's plugged in here, running off of 110. Yeah, so I got plenty of food for a long amount of time. Well, YouTubers, that's packing up the RV for a trip. I threw cat stuff in there for cat fans, but I'm gonna get on the road pretty soon, and gotta keep the wheels moving, gotta keep something going on. So until the next video, whenever that may be, have a great and wonderful day.